let's go and start something else though. Call this one world. You can create, let's say, one of these demos. So this is a special template that we're using, where instead of starting from scratch, we're starting from this website that I built to show off some of the capabilities. So we have a database, it's pre-populated with items. We have Bootstrap in here, some jQuery, and a whole bunch of handlebars and dynamic files. So we can go ahead and open that. We can see just a nice little grocery list template here, or grocery list app. So we can enter our name, join in. And what this will let us do, say we're planning a party or something, we can just build that PeerServer, anyone can go to it. We just have a nice little short-lived thing. Maybe we leave it up for a couple hours. All of our coworkers get started. We can say that we want apples, not green ones. Go ahead and add that. Anyone else who's here will also see these changes happening. So let's say they're our boss. And they'll go ahead and see that apples, they believe in that. Salad's great. Dark chocolate's great. If we go back here, oops, then we can see that we have their ideas too. And again, this looks like a normal website, but it's actually a massive hack going on. It's not a normal website. Everything that's happening here is going over the WebRTC data channel, going peer-to-peer, and our content, our PeerServer files, or our PeerServer scripts are interpreting that. Alright, so we can go into a little bit more detail on how this works, but here we have templates being rendered in response to asking to get, oops, where are we? In response to an AJAX request to grab the HTML to display. So we can add in another section. Maybe we really like vegetables and we need an entire separate, category for that. There we go. So that's nice. But then when we go back here, we look for veggies and they're all the way down here. And it works. Good ones. But it's kind of ugly. And same thing here. We have veggies, but they're all the way down there. So what can we do? We can just go ahead and go into the sub request handlebars. We can say instead of being a span 4, we'll make it a span 3. We'll save that. And again, one moment, this updates and it jumps over there. And everything's much better. So now you can start to imagine the sorts of apps that you can build here, and how they are all lightweight. You have this just in-browser database, and you wouldn't want to do anything too persistent. But for a quick little app, or prototyping, or just sharing, it's pretty cool.